I'm here at the ABB stand with an absolutely fantastic, fascinating piece of technology here called the EOW. Thankfully we have an expert on hand to tell us exactly what the EOW is all about. Phil Lawson, thank you for joining us.
Good afternoon.
Please do explain all these fascinating screens around us.
So this is what we have here is the EOW, as we said. It's the extended operated workstation. This is really a single point entry to the whole of the assets. So our control room operator, you can sit at the terminal, and in a safe environment and ergonomically designed, we can actually see all of the information regarding the assets across all of the screens. So from here we've actually got a single keyboard that connects to all the control systems, and we bring all this information to a single point. The EOW really is designed towards the operator to ensure that he's actually relaxed in what he's doing in terms of his work, in terms of having all information at the right time in the right place, and we can see all this is actually traceable and auditable on this process.
You know, it seems to be something that the most amount of thought has been put into. You have a sound shower, you can adjust the levels. It's all designed just to make it as efficient as possible, isn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, one of the things we do find is that research has shown us that tiredness and fatigue is absolutely critical to the operation of a critical system, such as a control platform. So it's important that we get the right environment for the operator, so adjusting for the height, for the screens to come backwards and forwards. But also, if we actually go into an uncontrolled situation on a platform, we want to make sure that he's attentive and everyone else around him understands he's actually in an environment where he needs to be focused. So we've seen this, we talked about the sound shower, but actually we'd actually see the whole environment change. We'd go from a green situation into red, and then people can stay away while he's concentrating and fixing the problem.
You see, I would assume that this kind of technology, this setup has been available for a while. You know, in control rooms both on and offshore, I would have expected that all this information was here, but apparently not. That's what makes this so unique.
It is, and there's a lot more to the process. I mean, there's a technology here which we can see in front of us, but I like to think about the human factors. This is a big part that we have to think about going forward, especially in these tight times where we might have operators working for 3 weeks on a run. And so this environment is not about just the furniture, the technology, it's the whole suite. It's bringing it all together for the operator in a safe and human factors where we consider all the aspects of managing the platform.
And is it in operation globally?
Yes, we've got a number of clients actually using this. We also have it offshore, but can also replicate this onshore in offices. So for anyone looking for integrated operations environment, we could have one of these offshore and we can replicate that onshore in their offices with the engineers around them, and they can have a duplication of the information.
Thank you very much for explaining it. I think it's fascinating. I'm not so sure about the pictures of us up on screen. I think we could get rid of them and do without that. But thank you very much.
It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you.